Good evening students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in my previous video we have seen what do we mean by empty set, finite and infinite set, and an equal set. Okay, so today we are going to solve the exercise 1.2 and we are going to explore more examples on those terminologies. Okay, if you are new to my channel, then please press the subscribe button, and if you like my video, then please press like button. And also, if you are having any doubts regarding this video, then you all can post your doubts and queries in the comment section. Okay, so now let's begin with the video. In the first question, they have asked us that which of the following are examples of null set. Okay, or empty set is also known as null set or void set. Okay, all the three notions mean the same. Okay, now the first question is the set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Now odd natural numbers, we know that odd numbers, they are not divisible by 2. Even numbers, they are divisible by 2. Now here, therefore, in this example we will not get any elements in this set because odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Now suppose if we take one example of a odd is 3, it is not divisible by 2. Same way with 5, 7. Okay, they are not divisible by 2. Therefore in this set we will not get any elements. Okay, and that can be represented like this, or you can write like this. Okay, so here the first is a empty set. Now second is a set of even prime numbers. Okay, so now this cannot be empty because the set of even prime numbers. Now prime numbers meaning they are divisible by itself and 1. Okay, now suppose if we take 2. Okay, 2 is divisible by 1 and it is also divisible by itself. This is a prime number and also even number. We have next prime number 3. Now 3 is not even, so we cannot take this. Okay, now next we have 5. This is not even. Okay, so we cannot take this inside our set. So the only number which we can take inside our set is 2. Therefore there is at least one element which is falling in this set. Therefore this set is not empty. Okay, now moving to the next question. X such that x is a natural number. Okay, x is a natural number. X is less than 5. Now x is less than 5 meaning the numbers which are less than 5 natural number. So it will start from 1, 2, 3 and 4. And x is greater than 7. Now greater than 7 meaning 8, 9, 10 and so on. That means there are elements which are belonging to this set. Okay, and therefore this set is not equal to empty. Now moving to the next question. Y such that y is a point common to any parallel lines. Now we know that parallel lines, they do not meet each other. Okay, there is no common point where the parallel lines meet. Okay, therefore this is a empty set. Now again, so this was the first question. Now the second question, in this they have asked which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Okay, that means which set is having a fixed number of elements and which number is having the unfixed number of elements. That means we cannot see how many elements are there. Okay, now the first question is the set of months of a year. Now we know that the set of a months of a year are fixed, that is January, February, March, April till December. Okay, that means this set is a finite. From January till December we can write. Okay, so therefore this is a finite set. Now moving to the next question. Now this is 1, 2, 3 and here they have given dot dot dot. Now this dot 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 meaning after 3 also there are more numbers, more and more unstoppable numbers. We don't know the last number. Okay, we don't know the last number. This will keep on continuing. That means this set is having infinite number of elements. Okay, so now moving to the next question, third one. this says that 1 2 3 then dot 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 is there, then 99 is there, and then 100 is there. That means after 3 4 5 is there till what, till 99, and then 100. That means this set is having 100 elements. We know how many elements are there. Okay, that is 100 elements. Now here we know that 4 5 6 up to 99, then 100. Okay, that means this set is having finite number of elements. Okay, we don't, in the previous example here we don't know where this dot is going to stop. Okay, therefore this is having infinite number of elements, but this is having finite number of elements. Now moving to the next question, it says that the set of positive integers greater than 100. Okay, now here we have to write a set in which there are positive integers greater than 100. Okay, now positive integers greater than 100 will be 101. Positive meaning negative numbers will not come. Okay, 100, 102 and so on, greater than 100. Okay, that means there is no stop, it will go on, this list will keep on going. Okay, so this is having infinite number of elements. Now coming to the next question, it says that the set of prime numbers less than 99. Okay, now here prime numbers we have to start and we have to write till it gets less than 99. That means less than 99, the prime number is 97. Okay, that means we have to start from 2 is a prime number, then 3 5 up to 97. Here they have given us till less than 99 we have to write. So we know the fixed number of elements inside this set, therefore this is finite. Okay, now moving to the question number 3. Now question number 3 is, it says that we have to state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. Now first is the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Now we know that there are infinite number of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Okay, there is no fixed lines which are parallel to x-axis. We can draw as many lines parallel to x-axis. So this is infinite. Now moving to the next question, the set of letters in English alphabet. Okay, now this is also a finite set because we know that A, B up to Z, these are the set of letters in English alphabet. So this is a finite set. Okay, now moving to the next question, the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Now multiple of 5, there are as many numbers. Okay, there are many numbers. We know that the numbers we don't know where it stops. Okay, and then multiples of 5, it will also keep on going. There is no fixed multiples of 5, therefore this is infinite set. Okay, now the set of animals living on earth. Okay, now the set of animals living on earth we can find. Okay, and they are fixed. Okay, we don't know each and every one, but they are fixed. Okay, therefore this is finite. Okay, now coming to the next question, the set of circles passing through the origin. Now this is again an infinite set, because through origin we can keep on drawing the circles. Okay, we can keep on drawing the circles. Okay, there are infinite number of circles passing through origin. Now moving to the next question. Now the next question number 4, it says that in the following state whether A is equal to B or not. Okay, now we have to see. Now A is equal to ABCD, and here it is also DCBA. Now every element of A is there in B and every element of B is there in A, therefore this is equal. Now here I had told you all when I was explaining you all the equal set, that order is not important, only the elements has to be equal. Okay, now the next is 4, 8, 12, 16, and here 8, 4, 16 and 18. Now 18 is there here, but 18 is not there in the A. Similarly 12 is here, but 12 is not there in the B. Therefore these sets are not 16. 12 is not there here and 18 is not there in A. Okay, now moving to the third question, it says that A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and B is equal to X, such that X is a positive integer. It is a positive integer and X is less than or equal to 10. Okay, now what are the positive integers? Now positive integers, it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10. Okay, but here we are only having 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, now every element of A is there in B. Okay, but whatever elements which are there in B, they are not in A. Therefore this is not equal. Okay, now moving to the next question, fourth question, A is equal to X such that X is a multiple of 10. Okay, now multiple of 10 meaning we will have 10, 20, 30, 40 up to so on, and here in the B they have given us 10, 15. Now this 15 is not there in the A. Okay, so now here it fails. Okay, therefore here also A is not equal to B. Now moving to the next question, question number 5, it says that are the following pairs of sets are equal. Now here they have given A is equal to 2, 3, and here B is equal to X, such that X is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6. Now we know that the solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is we are having 3 and 2, but when we will put this 3 and 2 in the solution, we will get x is equal to minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, and here they have given us 2 and 3. Therefore this set is not equal. Now moving to the second question, it says that A is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word follow, and B is equal to Y such that Y is a letter in the word wolf. Okay, now suppose if we want to write this set, we will write it as F, O, L and W, which is same as wolf. Okay, so this set is equal. Okay, now moving to the last question, it says that from the sets given below, select the equal sets. Okay, now from here we have to select the equal sets. Now one we can clearly see is that E. Okay, this E is equal to G because both of them are having the same number of elements, that is 1 and minus 1. And the next what we can see is B and D. Okay, because B is having 1, 2, 3, 4 and D is having 3, 1, 4, 2. Order is not important, only the elements has to be equal, and the remaining is not equal because in A we have 2, 4, 8, 12, and in C we are having 4, 8, 12 and 14. Okay, now this 14 is absent here, and from here 2 is absent here. Okay, so only E is equal to G and B is equal to D. Okay, so this was the exercise 1.2. okay, I hope everyone has understood these solutions. If you all have any difficulty in any question, you all can post your doubts in the comment section. Okay, and in the next video we are going to see the subsets and intervals as a subset of R. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Please press like button if you like my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Keep watching my videos.